This is the genuine Gerber GA700895 flapper. This is a clear 3-inch flapper. This flapper does come complete with the chain and hook to connect to the lever. The ears here to connect to the flush valve. This is what you would see when you look down into the tank. Get a few measurements here of the ears. Get a measurement on the bottom. That's the hole in the cone right there, a little less than an inch. Across. The old style of this flapper was blue. This is the new style flapper. And if you would like to order this flapper, there will be a link in the description to our website. And that's all for the genuine Gerber GA700895 flapper.